Johnny goes to the White House, but the problem is he approaches the guard and says, "I would like to speak to President Trump." The guard tells him, "Sir, Mr. Trump is no longer president. Please leave." Johnny leaves, and the next day he comes back and says, "I would like to speak to President Trump, please." Angry, the guard says, "Like I told you yesterday, Mr. Trump is no longer president. Please leave and don't come back." Johnny leaves, and the very next day he comes back yet again and says, "Please, let me speak to President Trump." The guard, which is now furious, says, "Like I have already told you, Mr. Trump is no longer in office. Please leave and never come back." Johnny leaves, but once again, he comes back the very next day doing the same thing. This goes on for a while until one day, the guard decides he's had enough of this. When Johnny arrives again, he asks the guard to see Trump, and the guard tells him, "How many times can I tell you Trump is no longer president? Why do you keep coming back when I've told you like a million times already that Mr. Trump is no longer president?" Johnny says, "Because I get a huge relief whenever I hear that Trump is no